Hey, what up? My name is Hazim and today I'm at SUTD's Open House 2025. Hey, what up? Come take a stroll with me. Or maybe you can get to know each other better. My name is Hazim. What's yours? Oh, interesting name. Not a very common name. I'm gonna catch some people off guard. Just go. Why should people come to SUTD?
I mean, simply it's the best school in the East, seeing how we are the only uni in the East.
Not wrong. So, why do you think people should join SUTD? So, Valerie, why should people come to SUTD?
SUT is very hands-on and it gives you a lot of free rein on what you want to do and to design your own learning.
That is the most politically correct answer I've ever heard. Why should we join SUTD?
That's a great question, Hazim. So, SUTD has a great makers community. So, if you're interested in all things related to makers, including 3D printing and even modding your own PCs, SUTD is the place to come.
Damn, wow. I've put everyone on pressure. You are solid as a rock. Hello. So, Prof, why should people join SUTD?
Well, maybe why people shouldn't is like is the place to be, right? SUTD is, you can see it around. It's like technology used in a creative way. It's a place where people can experiment and do really crazy things with a very strong base. So cultural base, knowledge base. So I think it's a fantastic place, and I would say it's unique, not only here but in the world.
Nice. Thank you. That's exactly why I chose SUTD. Thank you so much. What up? So we're back walking again. Can I tell you a secret? I actually love SUTD. So maybe you should too. I'm not being paid in any way. It's just the value of SUTD has come beside me. We're headed to the indoor sports hall where a lot of the other clubs are being held. We were previously at the campus center. So there's a lot more clubs here. A lot more people to disturb. Hi, I'm Hazim and I'm joined by...
Hi, I'm Kim.
So, Kim, one question. Why should people join SUTD?
Engineer.
Engineer. My name is Hazim and there's music blaring cause that... The sound guy is against me, bro. The sound guy is against me. So, Pauline. My name is Hazim. Where I approach someone with the mic, right, they run away and then I feel bad about myself. What's up? I wish I could move that elegantly, but I will sleep this. So if I try to move too fast, right, I'm like don't focus on me, please. Like feel that. I'm Hazim and I'm here joined by Luke. So Luke, why should people join SUTD, bro? What's your booth, bro?
It's called the Martial Arts Medley. So it's a collaboration between Taekwondo, Muay Thai and Judo.
Oh, I see. Interesting. So what do we do here? I got manhandle. My name is Hazim and today I'm joined by
Rooney.
Rooney. Why should people join SUTD?
Oh my god, SUTD is the best, bro.
Yeah. My favorite person in the world.
Is this also your favorite club in the school?
Not really. You look very familiar.
Yes, I am. Hi, I am Longnam.
So, Longnam, why should people come to SUTD?
SUTD is fun, join us. Yes.
You seem very good at hosting.
Oh no, I am very busy right now. Sorry.
I'll find you.